Hello bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today, we're doing another variation on my cottage cheese brownies. This time, it's all about pistachios today. So we're making pistachio cottage cheese brownies. High in protein, about 6 grams per slice. They come together really quickly. I'm going to show you guys how to make pistachio flour, which is really just you're putting pistachios in a blender, actually in a food processor or a spice grinder, and it just takes just a couple of minutes to get to that flour consistency. We are going to add some white chocolate to the recipe because remember, these are brownies and we're going to need some chocolate, and they actually work so beautifully together, and a tiny bit of almond extract just to enhance the nutty flavor. I had a couple of taste testers try these over the weekend, and I believe they had 2 pieces each. So that seemed to go well. So that made me really happy. These are really, really delicious. If you're a pistachio fan, you're gonna love these. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make these delicious pistachio cottage cheese brownies. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to grease and line an 8x8 baking pan. Let's go over the ingredients for the recipe. We will need 1 cup of shelled raw pistachios that we are going to throw into our food processor and process until it is this type of consistency, which is a flour type consistency. Just keep an eye on it so it doesn't turn into butter. 3/4 of a cup of cottage cheese, 2 eggs, both should be at room temperature, 1/2 cup of sugar, any sugar that you like. You can even decrease that to 1/3 of a cup if you like. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, plus 1/4 cup of white chocolate that is melted. You can also use sugar-free. 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we're making blondies today, but if you want to actually make these into pistachio cottage cheese brownies, this is what you need to do. All you have to do is replace 1/2 cup of the pistachio flour with cocoa powder, and you're going to replace the white chocolate with semi-sweet or dark. So I added my cottage cheese to my blender. This is my NutriBullet. I'm going to add my 2 eggs. My sugar. Baking powder and salt, vanilla extract, and my almond extract. We're going to put the lid on and we're going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. About a minute or so. Once that's blended, we're going to add our melted white chocolate. We're going to put the lid on again and we're going to blend this just until everything is nicely incorporated. Next, we're going to grab a medium bowl and we're going to add that cottage cheese mixture to the bowl. And we're going to add our pistachio flour. And we're just going to give this a good mix until it's just incorporated. We are going to pour this mixture into our 8x8 baking pan. Now, you can bake these off just as is, but I do like to add about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of additional white chocolate on top. You guys can use chopped white chocolate instead of chocolate chips, completely up to you. And just a couple of tablespoons of chopped pistachios. We're gonna bake at 350 for 20 to 22 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Enjoy our pistachio cottage cheese blondies. They are fudgy, they are rich, they have incredible pistachio flavor, and that white chocolate is incredible in this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these pistachio cottage cheese brownies, let me know in the comments below. I'll include measurements and ingredients and all that stuff in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.